Hello friends, welcome to another video session on electrical engineering. I am Sandeep Saxena. Today we will discuss the relay and the NONC logics. So this is the circuit diagram of the relay which we will use in our circuit. As you can see in the figure, 13 and 14 are the coil supply of the relay, in which 13 is negative and 14 is positive. Also 9 and 1 and 12 and 4 are NC, and 9 and 5 and 12 and 8 are NO. So I have made a small circuit for the demonstration. As you can see, this is my neutral and this is line, and this is the 24 volt SMPS. As the coil of the relay is 24 volts, so I am using this SMPS for the coil. This is the positive and this is the negative terminal. So this is our relay and this is our circuit. As you can see in the figure, this is the 14th terminal where I have connected the red wire, positive, and this is the 13th terminal where I have connected the black wire. So when I would turn on the relay, when I would turn on the MCB, I have connected an indicator with its NO terminal. I have shorted the 14th and 12th together. As you can see by this wire, I have shorted the 14 and 12. So what would happen when the coil would be pulled? So in this figure you can see 12 and 8 are NO. So when I would turn on the system, 12 and 8 would be NC. So my contact would be the joined together. So this is the 8 terminal which would give the supply to the indicator, and this is the negative terminal of the indicator. So I am turning on the system. Yes, it is working perfectly. So let's use the diffuse sensor in this circuit and check how do this logic work. As you can see, this is the diffuse type sensor. So when something or any object would come in front of it, then it will sense. This is the NPN type sensor, in which it will provide us the negative type of output. A question arises, guys, that why these relays are required in the electrical circuit. So let's come on the figure again. As you can see in the figure, 12 is insulated with any of the coil contact. As you can see, 12, 9, or else the NONC logic, all terminals are insulated with 13 and 14. So these relays are also used as signal converters. If I supply 230 volts on 12, then after holding the relay I can get the supply from the 8 terminal. Also this is used as the acknowledgement of the signal. If something turns on the relay, then you can pass that signal to the microcontroller if I take 5 volt on the 12 terminal or 9 terminal. So that's why this is used. This can be used as the acknowledgement of the signal. I will demonstrate it with the sensor and then you will get it easily. So as I have explained that my sensor is the NPN type. So the sensor has 4 wires: white, blue, brown and black. So black is giving the output, which is obviously negative, so I have connected it on the 13 terminal of the relay, and as in the drawing, these are the 14 terminals, these both are the 14 terminals. So I have taken the blue wire on this 14 terminal here and directly connected the negative from the SMPS. So when something would come in front of the sensor, this black wire would give the negative output and my relay would turn on. So let's test this system. Now I am placing my hand in front of the sensor. Yes, it is working. So this was our lecture on the relay logics. So guys, please like and subscribe, and if you would have any queries regarding the circuit, or if you want any kind of drawing, you can directly comment or email me. It would be more better if you would email me. Thank you for watching.